that won the Premier League last year. What's going to happen now when we win the Premier League?
By now, everybody should have heard the big news that happened today in the Jamaican Premier League. Mr. Craig Butler and Phoenix have joined forces with Vere United. Well, scratch that, they are now called Vere Phoenix United. And honestly, this is why this video is going to be very, very short, because I just want to give my opinion on the impact this can possibly have or will have on the Jamaican Premier League in this upcoming season. So as I said before, the most polarized figure in Jamaican football, next to Rudolph Speed of course, is Craig Butler. And after years of basically trying to align himself with a Premier League team, he has finally done it and put his money where his mouth is and purchased a significant stake in the Vere United club. So he's officially a co-owner, and Phoenix will now be taking over basically all football aspects of the club. So what does that mean for the Jamaican Premier League going forward? Well, for one, as a fan, it means just nothing but excitement. I'm already knocking at the Jamaican Premier League door, begging them for a schedule or a fixture list, as I can't wait to already head to that first Vere versus Cavalier matchup. But just having this personality overall in the league is a big deal. Plus, by now, we know how renowned his coaching tactics is, how renowned his coaching development is of players. So to see those up and rising kids in that Phoenix Academy starting their stuff for Vere against more senior pros will be much watched TV. So I honestly cannot wait. Not only that, he has always said that he expects the highest of standards, so I expect him to raise the standards of Vere overall in terms of player development, the training facilities, the playing pitch. Everything at Vere should be upgraded if you know how Craig Butler operates. So all that would is simply just raise the level of the league itself, and it's just another feather in the cap for this off-season, where we saw the likes of a new Argentinian coach coming in, plus a numerous player transfers happening. Of course, it's also good to see that just like how Peter Gould came and transformed more pleasant, we can expect this co-partnership between the Cousins and the Butlers to do the same for Vere. So all it does is sets up exciting, drama-filled JPL 2024-2025 season. I can't wait. Again, as I said, I won't spend too long on this. Vere United has now officially been renamed to Vere Phoenix United, and we're going to see if the Phoenix can fly high. So as soon as we get that fixture list, guys, I'll be here to tell you exactly when that Vere versus Cavalier first up will be happening. But anyway, as I said to you, that's all I got here. Thank you all for watching and subscribing, and the support here at Jamaican Fan. For all things going forward in terms of off season, you're already at the right place. Jamaican Fan. YouTube, big up yourself.